yeah, this is the church and the environment. Yo, so today I'm here sa CR ng Mormons Church, and this is actually my first time to attend the Mormon service. So nag-i-start pa lang and may nakahuli sa akin na nag-film dun sa may altar, and sabi nila hindi daw pwede kasi daw it's sagrado daw. So hindi ako makapag-video to document my Bicol journey here, so I decided to go here sa CR na lang to film myself. So yeah, just like a normal church service, still every Sunday, and yeah, I'm still figuring out what's the difference, and it's actually my first time attending the Mormon's church service. So yeah, it actually looks like an hospital, so there's a lot of paintings there sa walls, and yeah. So yeah, this one is a pretty cool paintings, and yeah. Ay, hindi pala siya painting, pero yeah, the design is very good, to be honest. And yeah, it gives me the hospital vibes. So yeah, I guess start na ng service, so pabalik na ako. Yo, so it's done na. And actually the first session was pretty good. So I don't know if it's actually my first or maybe the last time, but yeah. So the thing here is I'm actually still embarrassed being recording in public, so I can't even. Oh, this place was pretty good and medyo tahimik dito. So yeah. So just like what I've said, this is actually my first and last na rin siguro natin dito, and I want this to be part of my Bicol journey. So yeah, Bicol journey. So yeah, and so far everything was pretty good, and may mga thoughts din ako, me personally, na gustong sabihin during their church service. So yeah, and yun nga, may times din na actually first time ko lang din maka-encounter na they have different speakers. Like ang speakers nila hindi lang isa, but actually there are 5, actually more than 5 nga, and they have different thoughts there. They have different things to share. So the thing here is, yeah, madami kang matututunan, madaming lessons based on their own experience, based on their own thoughts. But ang problem lang is sa sobrang dami nilang ibinabatong words, may mga times na may times na may mga words ka na hindi mo na maiintindihan. Sobrang dami ng lessons, may mga part na hindi mo na siya maipasok sa kote mo kasi sobrang tagal din ng church service. So it's about like siguro it's 4 hours ata estimated siguro or more. So and ang nagpapahaba dun, to be honest, is yung mga thoughts ng mga listener, kasi dito kasi pala is they have freedom to tell they have freedom to tell what their thoughts about the lesson. So yeah, and this church pala is actually pretty big then, and yeah. So yeah, I'll show you a short tour muna before I leave. So yeah, that's the inside. And I don't know why kanina is pinagalitan ako kasi I'm filming, but I don't know if it's bawal talaga or pwede, kasi this place daw is sacred and it's not allowed to film. I don't know, but yeah, I still do it. Pero right now may mga nakakita naman sa akin, pero hindi naman nila ako sinasabay kasi I think it's ayun yung kapatid ko. It's a good thing. So yeah. So if you're actually a Mormons, or you've been actually have an experience, or if this is actually your church, my experience here was pretty good, and yeah, this is actually my first time, but yeah. So yeah, today's Sunday service was pretty good, pretty great. May mga natutunan din ako about kay God, and yeah, there will kay God, and yeah. So this is actually part of my Bicol journey. So yeah, see ya. Voila.